Hey guys, so this is my brushless RC car from TEMU. I am going to upgrade it. It comes with this ESC. It's 35A and 42S. So what I did is I went to TEMU again and bought this one, 60 amp brushless with a cooling fan and programming card for roughly the equivalent of $40, I think. You get a nice spreadsheet here with what you can set in it. So fair price, I think. They have up to 120 amperes. You don't need to include the programming card if you don't want to. I bought this one from a Swedish company, a 3S 1000 milliamps. We'll plug everything in and see what happens. And yeah, this is what we will be using. I have another one here, which is new, but it's for an upcoming project. So I'll put everything together and we'll start up and see if I blow my shed up or if I will go into the Guinness Book of Records.
1 hour later.
Put everything together so nothing will interfere with the cables. Yes, okay. So we'll turn it on. Come on now, don't explode. Fans going. Okay. We got steering. Nice. Okay, the moment of truth. Ooh. Yeah. I think this will run pretty fast. Nice. Okay, so everything is working then. I will assemble everything and put it as nice as I can in. But anyways, yeah, that's the upgrade. Once again, come on. Yeah, this will do, I think. Thanks for watching as always. Hej då!